Hey everyone, on April 30th, 2019, West Hills College Lemoore hosted a DSPS open house inside of the conference room. DSPS stands for Disabled Students Programs and Services. West Hills believes that there should be no barriers to learning, so it offers these services to help students with disabilities. At this event, future West Hills College Lemoore students were introduced to the benefits they receive when applying to West Hills, and they were given a presentation by their future instructors as well. The students were handed folders containing all the steps necessary to apply for West Hills College Lemoore and its services. There were many students present and eager to learn about the instructors, the campus, and the benefits.